Mental Health Month is all about awareness and action, and you have the power to bring all of this into your own life and community. Hi, I'm Naya, the Director of Community Engagement at Mental Health America. A great way to be a mental health advocate this May or any time during the year is through community engagement. Looking for mental health related events in your community is a great place to start, but if you can't find anything, you should consider creating an event for yourself. If you, your organization, or workplace are interested in hosting a mental health related event, we have a few tips to share. First, think about what kind of event you'd like to host. Here are a few ideas to get your creativity flowing. One option is to offer space for folks to take MHA's free mental health screening. This is a simple way to get people thinking about their mental health. Our Mental Health America screens are anonymous, free, and confidential. After answering 10 to 15 questions, you will receive immediate results and access to the next steps. You could even work on-site screening into an already existing event. If there's something going on in your community, set up a quiet spot with Wi-Fi or access to the internet where people could take an online screen. Another idea is to host an activity like a walk, yoga class, or something to get people moving and help them make mind-body connections. Mental health is still stigmatized in many communities. Folks may be unfamiliar or uncomfortable with the topic altogether. Slowly introducing mental health by incorporating wellness activities such as yoga or meditation can be a great way to get more people comfortable with making the connection between physical and mental health. Another great way to get involved is to organize group volunteering. This could be for either a mental health organization or any nonprofit. Volunteering is a great way to not only help others, but can boost your mental health. And one last idea, engage with a Mental Health America affiliate. Mental Health America has local affiliates all over the country. Find your local affiliate on our website and see if they have plans for Mental Health Month, or work with them to bring one of your ideas to life. Once you have an idea of the type of event you want to do, it's important to think about the planning process. It's okay to start small. If there are already events going on in your community in May, think about how you could incorporate your idea into existing activities. Like I discussed with the screening earlier, you could offer a screening station. Consider the logistics, timing, existing resources, and your community needs. When thinking about timing, pick a date that aligns with Mental Health Month in May, Pride Month in June, Men's Mental Health Month in June, BIPOC Mental Health Month in July, or Suicide Prevention Month in September. Mental health should be talked about all year round, so don't be limited by these months, but they may be able to help you provide structure to your event and bring more visibility. Starting to plan the content for an event can seem overwhelming. What information you want to discuss, resources to share, and generally how to talk about mental health at events. No need to worry. There are so many existing resources you can utilize. Each year, MHA hosts a Mental Health Month campaign with a toolkit filled with information you can use to bring education and awareness to your community. We also have a library of online resources that can be used at your event to provide education. Last, one of the most important things to consider, your community needs. What events do they love interacting with? Where are those events held? What type of activities are present? Make sure you are appealing to those you wish to reach. You may want to ensure the time and energy you put into planning will resonate with your community. An easy way to figure this out is by simply asking. Talk to community members and get their thoughts, ideas, and opinions on what they would find the most helpful. Engaging our communities in discussion about mental health is so important. It breaks down stigma, increases knowledge, and provides people with information about what help is available. By bringing these events and conversations to your community, you are helping so much more than you know. Thank you for being an advocate, educator, and role model in your community. Learn more about getting involved by going to mhanational.org/May.